On today's videos, we're going to create a lab that's going to help us practice, like having some hands-on on most of these things that we have been doing so far. So to create that lab, we need to go online and go on a website called Vagrant. Sorry, we go here on Vagrant download, and we're gonna try to download Vagrant for our machine here, which is Windows. And here you need to go with download AMD 64, which is what we're gonna be having. So as you download that, we're gonna go ahead and install it. So here we have our Vagrant that we have downloaded is finished, and we need to go ahead and install it right now. So we click on next, we accept the license, next, next, install. Yes. So is waiting just a minute here, and the package will be installed completely. So I could have said here, while we are even waiting for this to finish the installation, let me start my mobile extern. And on my mobile extern, I need to search a session. And on here, I'm let execute the command. Let create an SSH keygen by doing a SSH dash key gen. I press enter, 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 enter. So I create an SSH key. If I do a LL-A, we have my SSH identity is here. If I cd into .ssh and LL, I will have two files. This is the file that I want here. Let's cut into id.pub. So we're gonna need this key. So here, let's finish the installation, which is done. It says must be restarted. I'm gonna do no for now. I'm gonna restart it at the end. So we're gonna need this key. Let me cut it again so that we have a better view. I'm gonna go back online. At this point, I'm gonna go on Bitbucket. Here at Bitbucket, I need to create an account. Right? When I come here on Bitbucket login, on login here, this is just a sample. Let sign up. So to sign up, I need to create an account with my email. Let put my email here. So after creating an account with Bitbucket, here I need to go ahead and create a workspace. I'm gonna give any name here for my first page that I'm creating. Let's make it a public workspace with the it's already exit. Let's do fun twice. That one also is taken. Let's call it so as I created a workspace over here for myself, I need to go on here where it says settings. I press on settings, workspace settings, I press on it. And then I need to come on this side over here where it says security. I need to click on SSH. And here I need to press on add a key. As I'm pressing on add a key, let me open my Bitbucket back. This key that I generated earlier, I need to copy it all the way. And then after copying that, I will come here and paste that key over here. And this name that he has generated for me, let's call it IT Griot. That's the name of my key. I need to add it. So since I have added and I created everything, let me go on the project that I need to copy. Here, I'm going to call the name of that project over here, the directory to where I need to go is going to be Rhcsa. Actually, it's Rhcsa _ Lab. And I will press enter. As I come here on Rhcsa _ Lab, I will go on repositories, click on Rhcsa Lab Vagrant, and over there, I need to come here on clone, and I need to copy it. As I copy that, I need to go back on my mobile extension. Let me paste what I copy over here. Actually, let me cd out of this directory. I don't want to put that inside the .ssh, so I get out of there first before I paste everything that I have. So as I paste that over there, I just press enter to download. So now at this point, if I do LL, it will show that I have that project, that lab that I'm downloading over here. So let's do a CD into that lab, which is Rhcsa. In here, when I do LL, I'm gonna have all this file that is being downloaded. The first thing that I need to do is to go inside the README. I'm gonna cut it. As I'm cutting README, here I'm saying people who having the Windows machine, they need to execute this command, right? Before you execute that command, let me, so before you execute that command, you need to type log. Let me clean it again first. And I'm going to do log name. It's showing you what is the name that you have here on the machine. Before I execute that command, I need to change this. I'm changing this with that name, which is LAGHS HO. So when you type log name, whatever what is going to show you over here, that's what you need to enter here, right? So you type log name, whatever what you get, that's why you need to remove the other thing and put that here. So at this point, I'm going to press enter. When I'm pressing enter, I'm going to realize that everything has changed over here. So that log name or whatever what came out, I need to see that it need to appear here. That's how I know that my change was done successfully. So now I need to execute that command. Before I execute it, I need to add -I dot BAK. So I do -I dot BAK. If I do LL, it's going to generate a backup file over here. So to see if everything works, I need to do vagrant validate vagrant command not file. Vagrant command not file is makes sense because it says that it wants us to reboot the machine earlier, if you remember when we installed vagrant. So I'm going to go ahead and restart my machine and then come back and continue the video. So I restarted my machine and we're gonna go ahead and continue where we left off last time. So in here, I need to cd inside my that Rhcsa folder that I downloaded. I need to do a vagrant up. Actually, I needed to do vagrant validate, but either one, it doesn't matter because I think at this point we're gonna have some troubleshooting that we need to do. So here we're gonna get this error and I'm gonna go ahead and find how to fix it online, which are some space in it. And also I will be providing this error down below so that you can just easily copy and paste it without having to go online and do the research as I'm doing right now. If I remember where that is. I know exactly what I'm looking for. It's just that I need to make sure that's not the one. All right. So this is the line that I was looking for. So after you copy this, make sure you copy that. Go on your machine here and you look for Notepad. When you see Notepad, right click and run as an administrator. I press yes. When I open my Notepad, I need to click on File. When I click on file, I go on open. From open, I need to go on this PC. This PC, I double click on my C. I need to go on Rhcsa. I need to open Rhcsa. I need to open Vagrant. I need to open Embedded. Here, I need to open Gems. Here, I'm opening this 234. Here, I need to open Gems again. Here, I need to go down where I will see Vagrant 234. Vagrant 234. Here, I need to open Bean. It seems like I have nothing here where I say a text document. Let's go and select all file. Here, I need to open this file. As I'm here, let's go down one line. I will press enter, paste what I copy, and I will press enter again. So that code that we copy, this is what that I added here. And I need to save this. Save. So I go back on my project here and let's do Vagrant validate. So it's checking the code right now for me, and we are supposed to say successful. All right. So now it's giving us two different errors right now because it was successful. Let's go ahead and try to install, find these two things to install. And like I say, I'm gonna add them on a video below so you guys can just copy and paste, right? So as I'm searching this, is telling me here that I need to run this command. I'm running that command and I need to search for the second one for VBGuess. For VBGuess, we need to run this command. The first one was run successfully, and we're going to run the second one. So at this point, if I do again my Vagrant validate, let's see what we get as an output. So now it's saying it's successful. Since we have it successful, we need to now do our Vagrant up. Before we do Vagrant up, always make sure that you need to be inside this directory. You need to be inside this directory before you run this command, Vagrant up. So here it's gonna download those operating system for us, and on VirtualBox it's gonna start creating some machine here automatically, which is if I bring my VirtualBox, which is empty as of right now, and let's see our project as the project goes, is going to go ahead and download some virtual machine for us. So basically, this is what we needed to do, all those steps to get up to this point of the project. I know it's a little bit a lot. Take your time, be patient, follow the step slowly, and eventually you're gonna get here and you're gonna have your lab ready to start practicing some session um, during our next program. So here we already have one machine that is getting created and the other machine gonna follow. I'm not gonna record all that. If you already see this, that means at this point you are successful. And see you guys when we're gonna be working on the next step. So bye bye.